pretty heavy too, man.
It's heavy?
It's actually pretty. I thought it was gonna be like plastic. Oh,
Whoa.
I just found a coffee mug at CES that lets you play video games on it. Seriously. This is the Pixel Mug P1. It's not cheap plastic, it's an all-ceramic IPX8 waterproof smart mug. But the magic is in the hidden touch bar. Swipe once, real-time temperature of your coffee.
They did it.
Swipe again, the weather outside.
So what does it connect to? Is it like your phone?
Swipe a third time, you're playing mini games right on your cup. At Kabyware Consulting, we spend all day building high-end digital experiences for Arizona businesses, so we know good tech when we see it.
You can do whatever you want, so it's like you can personalize it.
So it's pixels. There's a lot of options. Yeah.
Good stuff.
Like Mario.
Because it's open source, you can code your own games or use AI to turn text into custom animations instantly. You can even send pixel messages to your friend's mug across the room. It's the ultimate desk accessory for tech nerds or anyone who wants their morning brew to have a little more personality. Just remember, hand wash only, keep it out of the dishwasher to protect the tech inside. Now, if you love finding insane tech like this that changes the way you work, you have to check out this video right here on the screen. Click it right now, and I'll see you over there. Stay caffeinated.
What's your favorite design? The what?
A lot.
A lot? Well, you have to pick one.
That's my design. Have to be
Your design? Can you show me it?